Yeah guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. I believe it's vlog number 15. I can't believe it. 4 months ago I just started, so that's super epic. As promised, I'm taking you on a little tour of Josie and Josie's art, Josie's graffiti, and what Josie's got to offer in terms of arts and culture. Stop chat now, check this one out. Some bangers from, I think we got Maine, Drake, we got Roni, Drake over there. But yeah, let's take a look at these bangers. Yeah, weather seems to be holding. Touch wood. Hopefully we're in for a bit of a banger. I just went through a red robot, my bad. It's still hurt. But Robbie, there's a couple of these bangers, yeah. But these are pretty old. They've been around for a good 2 years. I think the riot tag actually used to be red and the sun has burnt it away. But yeah, worth a show. Check these bangers. I'm going to stay off the road for now. It's a bit of a dicey one to try negotiate crossing with the bike. Yeah, while I'm walking down here, perfect opportunity. Let's chat about this kit I'm wearing. Thank you again, Finch. And what epic kit, man. I love it. Finch Cycling, thank you so much for the kit. The range we're wearing today, guys, it's from their 15 collection. This is the classic black. You get a classic white in the 15 collection. Their HQ is actually in Durban, a couple of branches and merchandisers around. For all the deets on the jersey, the link in the description, guys. The bib, it's their classic bib in black, really comfortable bib. I haven't done big mileage yet. I would love to as soon as this weather clears up. We've got something really epic planned, maybe a double loop of Sekerbos. Anyone ever done that? Go check it out, all those links in the description, guys. Bear with me. Check it out. Almost there. Guys have been laying it down here. Righty, let's make our way to Linden. Some more bangers there, and then Greenside, Emerentia, and I think that will cover most of the north graph side. Let's see, LEKKER. So yeah, you must see the next few pieces I'm going to show you. The scale of these things are just phenomenal. It's like, how do the guys even get a ladder or something in here? Yeah, check these out. Found it. Look at this thing. Absolutely massive. Boom. Isn't that a banger, eh? Yeah. Something to scale it to. Hello, Bubble. Hello. Friendly people everywhere. Great. Dropping into Emerentia now. Hopefully we can send up the drone, show you a bit of the surrounds. Looking good for now, I guess. got a plan. I'm gonna send the drone down there. Send it to the drone. That was Emerentia Dam. Bangers at the bottom there. Making our way into Greenside. Some more bangers here. Check it out. Always wanted to come in this little alley. And yeah guys, this is out at the smoke room in Greenside. Big shout out to the smoke room. What's up boys? The building here. I did come earlier in the year to shoot this, or last year actually, to shoot this, so I'm going to send it to that shot, but there it is from the bike. Roll VT. Been a super rad ride. If the weather stays like this for the next hour and a half, we're gonna finish dry, which is always a plus. Now we're cruising, making our way into Rosebank. A couple of bangers I want to show you there. I must say, the 46-18 ratio that I'm running, perfect for Joburg. Way better than a 46-16. Just saying. Show you another couple of bangers down there. Beautiful graffiti, but I just thought, why not? Be kind, everyone, be kind. What's up, my butts? Yeah, how far you been today? 30K. 30K. Making our way up here, and we're going to drop down onto Bumpus. Just before then, got another set of bangers. On the previous vlog, here we go again. Check these out. Crazy skills, boys and girls, I guess. One from Riot, check that out. How's this banger right here from Drake? Absolutely massive. Look at that thing. Boys laid them down. Keep going. I'm just going to show you up to there. Woo-wee. Sick. Okay, yeah guys, we're leaving Oxford now. The weather is turning, looking cuck, and hope we get home in the dry. I think there's one or two more epic little spots I want to show you, but yeah, that pretty much covers a little radius of the graffiti I wanted to show you. Let's call it the graffiti ride part 1, I guess. There's a hell of a lot more graffiti and art that I'd like to show you. If you're ever on the Spruit, definitely here for quite some time, but definitely worth it. Slipping and slide, guys. Look at these bangers. Zeno, Drake, Riot, all the boys, all the usual suspects. Look at it. Looking epic. Riot, Trips, Drake, Mars. Who else is it? Answer. We all here. And again, boys and girls, all the pictures and all the deets to these guys' Instagram will be in the deets. Let's grab some pickies. Alrighty, I think it's time for a coffee. Let's pull into Motherland. Motherland coffee. This stuff is amazing. Double cortado, please. And now we're stopping for some coffee. Yeah. maybe take it with you while you're making it. Super strong coffee, that's what we need in life. Righto, so a bit more information about this bike that I'm on. If you'd like to get in touch with the guys from Rook, either contact me, contact the guys from Rook, they'll sort you out. Thing is the ultimate mash machine. Also found this one not too long ago. Have a look, flipping overgrown. I'm actually gonna do a drive-by of this one. I'll throw you to a shot that I shot when it was fresh. This is the last section. I forgot about this one. So we got an awesome one from Raste. Raste's been around for days. Another one from Bevo or Beva. These are dope. Let me just grab a banger picture here quick. From Trips and Riot, also MHC guys. And a perfect little chow mein. Just shy of 50 Ks and we're still dry on a Sunday. That means we've officially hit Stoke. Yeah, boys and girls. And that was super cool. We'll call that one part one of the graffiti tour. There's so much more graffiti out. For all the deets on Finch, Finch Cycling kit, Finch 15 collection, and the classic bib, all in black. Definitely head over to the link in the description. That link being finchcycling.com. Hopefully to give away at some point. So definitely hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that notification bell, and make sure you don't miss out. Instagrams of the artist and myself in the description as well. Make sure you follow me there. Make sure you check out all the carousels of all the graffiti. That was part one, guys. Thank you so much.